Welcome to Yoga with Em. My name's Emmy and I'm going to teach you a yoga breathing technique in this video. It's called alternate nostril breathing, and this is a great way I like to begin a yoga class, but you can actually use it any time whenever you need to find calm or if you need to find focus. So come and join me in a comfortable seat and we're going to breathe together. So find that comfortable seat, ground down through your sit bones and relax your shoulders down. You can be sitting on the ground or even in a chair, but just make yourself comfortable and sit tall. I will end up closing my eyes down, so maybe you'd like to do that once you get the hang of this. So I take my right hand and I take my first two fingers and just rest them gently eyebrow center. I'm then going to use the side of my finger and my thumb to close off one nostril at a time. So close off your right nostril and slowly inhale through the left. Pause at the top and then change. Exhale right. Nice and slow. Inhale right. Pause, change, exhale left. Don't rush the breath. Slow inhale left. Pause, change, exhale right. Slow inhale right. Pause, change, slow exhale left. Slow inhale left. No rushing here. Pause, change, slow exhale right. Inhale slowly right. Pause, change, exhale left. And then release that hand back down, rest it on your knee gently. And if you've got your eyes closed down, you can keep them closed here for a moment as you return to natural, easy breathing. The idea with alternate nostril breathing is we're slowing down our breath, we're focusing on the breath, we're slowing down the heart rate. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes, come back into the space we're in. Either ready to continue with your day or to begin your physical yoga practice. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.